All right, so I had to start a new video for the last part here. So last problem here was 8-6, right? So how do I write 8-6 using a set model? Eight six using a set model, so I need how many circles in my box? I need 6 circles. And I'm going to need a couple of boxes, I think. 4, 5, 6 circles here, and I need a total of 8 of those circles filled in, right? So 6 of them over here. And 2 of them over here. Right, so here's my whole 1 and 2, 6, right? So 4, 8, 6. Moving on to the next page. Activity 1, ordering whole numbers. Oh, that's lesson 1. Are we done with our review? Oh, that must have been it. So that was Unit 10 review. That was the last section. Let me just make sure that we hit all of the sections. Looks like we did here. Quiz and error rods, we did that. Here we showed the model for the improper fractions. Here we showed what the unit fraction was given the model. And here we showed where the numbers were for our fractions, and we split up our wholes into fair shares. I think you guys got this. All right, and this was our skills maintenance. All right, so at this point, hopefully you're feeling comfortable with all the material from Unit 1. All right, if you feel good, you can go ahead and stop the video and ask Mrs. Holland for your end of Unit 1 assessment. She'll give you your test. Okay, good luck. And I'm signing off.